Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited for it because I just got this new baby and it's the iPhone 11 and I got it in 125 gigabytes in the color white. This is the box that I came with. This is my previous phone. So I had the iPhone 6 Plus. There's a lot of differences between the two phones. This is kind of a little bit bigger than this, and also this have like two cameras, and this comes with just one camera. And you can see the Apple logo. The Apple logo is at the middle of it, and this one is at the top of it. Yeah. Actually, I have no words to tell you guys like how gorgeous this is in person. So beautiful. Yeah. Let's say, let's gonna open it. Say hello, bonjour. This is it, guys. It's so cute. I'm so in love with this phone. Alright guys, here's a better close-up of what it looks like if you guys haven't seen it in person. The back, it has two cameras right here, and also it has the Apple logo at the middle, middle of the phone, and also it has a Face ID. Yeah, so I love it. So guys, let's see what's inside the box. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and set this up. Let me try and turn it on. It's coming up. Okay, so I'm just going to press set up later in settings because I don't think I'm going to back up my iCloud right now. I mean, everyone pretty know how to set up an iPhone. Yeah, so I'll do this later. So let's see what's inside the box. So of course we have designed by Apple cute little pamphlets and the lovely Apple sticker. Also in the box I have the regular AirPods, lightning cable. Yeah, this is it. Lightning cable, yeah, that's the lightning cable. And I have the charger. The camera is very good because right now I'm using my husband's iPhone 11 to do this, recording right now. So I think it's pretty good, So it's a big upgrade from this, which is this is the iPhone 6 Plus. It's a really big upgrade for me from this to this. So I'm really happy with it. And I'm loving my phone. I just like this phone compared to this. But if you like a bigger phone, you can go with the iPhone 11 Pro. For me, I just like a portable phone that I can use with one hand and all that. So I prefer to go with the iPhone, iPhone 11 in 126 gigabytes. That's what I have. So I'm in love with the phone. I do highly recommend it overall. Subscribe to my channel. Have a good day, guys. Bye.